You've spent months mastering a game. Every combo, every map, you feel unstoppable. Then something new logs in, AI. It doesn't eat, sleep, or get tired. It just learns, faster than any human ever could. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening right now. AI isn't just playing games. It's changing them forever. We're talking about AI that can beat the world's best players in games so complex, most people can't even follow the rules. It's not just about perfect aim or reflexes. It's about strategy, seeing the game in ways we can't. Imagine an opponent that plays millions of matches while you play one, trying every move, every strategy, every what if. This is the new reality. AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in gaming. These aren't just programmed bots. They're students of the game, teaching themselves to win. So, what does it mean when the student becomes the master and the student is a machine? Let's dive into the world of AI gamers, because they're already here and they're setting new high scores. AI in gaming started simple. Tic-tac-toe, checkers. Then, in 1997, Deep Blue beat chess champion Garry Kasparov, proving machines could outthink us, but Deep Blue was just a calculator. The real revolution came with DeepMind. Their AI learned Atari games by looking at the screen, not by knowing the rules. At first, it was terrible, but after hours of play, it discovered strategies no human had seen. Then came AlphaGo, tackling the ancient game of Go, far more complex than chess. It learned by playing millions of games against itself. In 2016, AlphaGo defeated Lee Sedol, one of the greatest Go players ever, with moves so creative they stunned experts. The challenges kept growing. OpenAI 5 took on DOTA 2, a chaotic team game. In 2019, it beat the world champion human team. These AIs weren't just following scripts. They were innovating, mastering teamwork, and redefining what's possible in eSports. Machine gamers have arrived, and they're conquering our favorite digital worlds. The leap from simple bots to true learners has changed the game forever. Now, AI isn't just a tool. It's a competitor, a teammate, and sometimes the best player in the room. The question isn't if AI can play, it's what happens now that it can win. The future of gaming is being rewritten, one match at a time, and we're all witnesses. So, how does AI go from clueless to champion? The secret is reinforcement learning. Think of it like training a puppy. Do something good, get a treat. Do something bad, get a penalty. In games, the AI is the agent. The game is the environment, and points are the treats. At first, the AI just mashes buttons randomly, but every time it stumbles into a reward, it remembers. Over millions of tries, it builds a strategy, connecting actions to future rewards, even if the payoff comes much later. Unlike humans, AI has no habits or biases. It explores every possibility, even the weird ones. That's why it finds strategies we'd never consider. Sacrificing a queen in chess, or making bizarre moves in Go if it leads to more wins. It's relentless, logical, and incredibly fast. While we learn from guides and each other, AI learns from pure experience. Billions of games, zero fatigue. This is how AI surpasses human skill in days, not years. It's not magic. It's just a smarter, faster way to learn. And it's changing how games are played. Forever. The results? Mind-blowing. DeepMind's AlphaStar mastered StarCraft II, a game so complex, many thought AI couldn't handle it. AlphaStar trained for the equivalent of 200 years, reaching Grandmaster rank and inventing new strategies. It wasn't just fast, it was smart, seeing the game in ways humans never could. Then came Mu0, An AI that learns the rules as it plays. No instructions needed. Put it in front of any game, chess, shogi, Atari, and it figures out how the world works, just by trial and error. Mu-Zero's approach is closer to how humans learn, but at superhuman speed. It beat the best AIs in every game it tried, proving that learning the rules yourself is the ultimate advantage. These AI champions aren't just good, they're redefining what mastery means. And they're only getting better. So, what does all this mean for us? AI isn't just about unbeatable bots, it's about smarter, more dynamic games. Imagine enemies that adapt to your playstyle, or worlds that evolve as you play. AI can test games for bugs, create new content, and make every playthrough unique. But there are big questions. Will AI ruin the fun by showing us the perfect way to play? Will eSports need new rules to keep things fair? The line between tool and cheat could get blurry. And what about the soul of gaming? The joy of discovery, the thrill of competition. AI could make games more exciting than ever, or change what it means to play. One thing's certain, we're entering a new era, and we're all playing on the same team. Ready or not, the next level is here.